Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Learning Station. Today we are going to discuss about 25 World History GK, which will help you to prepare for upcoming examination and your daily life. If there is any mistakes, please comment me. Okay, let's start. Today's first question is: the Great Wall of China was built in which year? Answer: 221 BC. The first voyage around the world was undertook by whom? Answer: Ferdinand Magellan. Who was the first president of USA? Answer: George Washington. Which battle marked the end of Napoleon era? Answer: Waterloo Battle. When the first Olympiad was held in Greece? Answer: 776 BC. The American War of Independence was fought between? Answer: United North American 13 colonies and Great Britain. Who was also known as Führer? Answer: Adolf Hitler. Who was Srimavo Bandaranaike? Answer: the first Prime Minister of the world. The Emperor of Germany who dismissed his Chancellor Bismarck was? Answer: William II. Two presidents of USA were father and son. Who were they? Answer: John Adams and his son John Quincy Adams. In which year the UNO came into existence? Answer: 24th October 1945. Who was the King of England before Elizabeth? Answer: George VI. Queen Elizabeth I ascended the throne of England in which year? Answer: 1558 AD. When was the Second World War ended? Answer: 2nd September 1945. In which year the first Communist Manifesto was issued? Answer: 21st February 1884. The US President who was forced to resign due to the Watergate scandal was? Answer: Richard Nixon. When was the First World War started? Answer: 28th July 1914. When was the First World War ended? Answer: 11th November 1918. In 1806, the Holy Roman Empire was dissolved by whom? Answer: Napoleon. Florence Nightingale was also known as? Answer: Lady of the Lamp. Who was the last emperor of Rome? Answer: Romulus Augustus. Hitler's secret service was also known as. Answer: Gestapo. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to New York? Answer: France. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent Kenya? Answer: Jomo Kenyatta. Who was the first British Prime Minister? Answer: Sir Robert Walpole. Thanks for watching this video.